Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer, and in this video we're going to cover how does Clickbank pay you. So let me just fire up my laptop and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Hey guys, so I'm over here on my laptop and I'm on a clickbank.com page, which is the home page of Clickbank. Now I'm not going to show you how to create an account with Clickbank. I presume you already know it or you already have an account. But what we are going to do in this particular video is I'm going to show you exactly where to find all the information regarding payments on Clickbank website. So let me just go into the support section, which is over here. So let me just click on it, open it up, and I'm going to click on affiliate help. And now in this section, we are looking for something called, here is a getting paid as an affiliate. Just scroll right over to the bottom and click on how do I earn commission. Now, it's not exactly what we are looking for. We are more looking for something which is called how do I get paid. It's here in the related article. So if I just copy this one, or if you just want, you can just type it over here. How do I get paid? Exactly this one. And so this is exactly what you want to look for. This is the page where you get all the information needed and necessary for you to know. Now, before we dive into the different methods and payment methods, I want to show you, or sorry, I want to explain to you a little bit of how the whole payments and the whole how do I get paid method works. So first of all, you got to understand that the day you get a commission, so you basically have a sale. Let's say today I get a sale and my commission is, let's say, 20 US dollars. Now, your commission of this $20 is, you cannot really, withdraw it the first day, the very day you made that commission, right? Because the whole process of the selling goes through what we all probably know is a refund policy, right? So there is a refund time period where the client has the option to ask for a refund if they are not satisfied with the product itself. So this refund time usually is around 30 days, sometimes it's just 14 days, but generally speaking, it's like 30 days. So your commission and your withdrawal of this commission needs to wait until this refund period is finished, right? So you cannot really get your commission paid before like 30 days or so. Now then, after this period there is a certain time where the Clickbank is just processing of it and so on, but you will find all of this information over here. I just wanted to let you know this because this is very, very important to know. Now let me just think. Okay, what else is there to say? First of all, there is something called, let me just see, where is it? This is, what is the customer distribution requirement? This is very important to know, guys. This is something which Clickbank created for the affiliates, because sometimes it happened that a person wanted to buy a product from Clickbank and they knew that there is an affiliate program on Clickbank, so they created a Clickbank affiliate account and they bought that product which they wanted from their affiliate link. So therefore they basically got a 75%, let's say, commission, and they didn't really pay the whole price for the product itself, right? So they just created a Clickbank affiliate program account just for the sake of getting that particular product cheaper. Now, therefore, Clickbank, to really shut this down, they create something what is called the customer distribution requirement. Now, customer distribution requirement, or CDR in very short terms, it's basically that before you can withdraw your commissions, you need to basically get payments from two different methods, which is, as you can see over here, is either different credit cards or PayPal or whatever it is, and then you need to have 5 unique sales, which is from 5 different customers, right? And that's it. After that, your your commissions are basically, unlocked and you can withdraw them. Now, for the payments itself, there is something called a threshold which you can set up, and by default it's set up for $100, but you can change it to $50 to $20 to even $10. So um, it doesn't, it's not like you need to get that amount of like $100 commission before you can actually get paid. Like my first commission was around, I think, 40 US dollars, right? Or 50, I'm not sure now. So that's like it. You can change it, but just be aware that you gotta change that. Now, for the actual payments, so let's just dive into this directly. And we are here on the how do I get paid. Now, Clickbank offers 4 different payment methods. First of all is the check, which I know that you guys in US, you are big fans of checks. I personally don't. I personally don't have much experience with checks. I live in Europe. We don't really have that much of checks, over here. So I don't really know how the whole check process works, but I know that it's quite like very easy way to get the money and so on. So checks are very beneficial for you guys which first of all you live in US either, or you are big fans of checks, right? And because they can send the checks wherever you are, even if you don't live in US, if you live in Europe, if you live in New Zealand, Australia, whatever it is, they can send the checks. But just keep in mind that the whole sending process through mail is going to take some time, because it's actually going from US to, let's say, New Zealand or wherever you are living, where you are based. So it will take maybe a few days, weeks, whatever it is. So if you are in US, it's probably good options for you to get checks. Otherwise, I would recommend different payment method, which we are going into right now, and it's called direct deposit. Now, direct deposit is basically very easy, what we are all accustomed to do, getting paid straight to our bank account. Now, with direct deposit, you can get payments usually from basically a number of countries. It's not all of the countries, but it's quite a lot of countries that are involved, and it's usually the first world countries, Europe, and so on. So let me just go over here. Here, if you can see the click tip, here are the countries, international countries, that the direct deposit is eligible for. So let me just open this up, and here you can see all the countries. So basically, if you are living in Europe, you have pretty big chance of getting direct deposit. If I know that all the countries that have euro are on this list, even some countries that don't have euros are over here. Like for example, Czech Republic doesn't have euro, but they can have direct deposit. What is it? Gibraltar doesn't have euro. Hong Kong, yeah, that's Hong Kong, right? Hungary doesn't have euros, and so on. United Kingdom 100%, Switzerland, and so on. So here is all the countries that are eligible for a direct deposit. So if your country is over here, I do recommend highly using direct deposit. It's what I personally do, and it's just the easiest way to do it. We are all accustomed to do it, so I recommend direct deposit. Now, for those of you who your country is not on this list, then don't worry about that. You have 2 more options to get paid. Now, from these 2 options, the first one is something called a wire transfer. A wire transfer, what it basically is, it's bank transfers globally, right? And it's more of like, more options are over there, so you can literally get payment from wherever you are on the world, in the world, to whichever country you wish to add it. Now, these transfers are going through the banks itself, so it's not like the bank account, but through the banks itself. Now, wire transfers usually are made for big amounts of money, big US dollar, big money transfers, which we are talking about probably thousands and tens of thousands of US dollars worth of transfers. That's why they have basically each transfer costs you $35 per transfer, right? So if your commission is $100 and you're going for a wire transfer, then you're probably getting somewhere around only $60 from that commissions after all of these, fees and so on. So it's not, I do not recommend using wire transfers for small amounts. Again, it's for bigger amounts like tens of thousands of dollars, and it's basically it's add the big benefit for wire transfer is that you can first of all transfer the money wherever you want, and the second is like added safety to this transfer, right? Because it's going through the banks itself. Now, so if you are in a country where you cannot do direct deposit, then I highly recommend you doing Payoneer. A Payoneer is basically a third service platform which basically helps you to get the funds from Clickbank to your Payoneer account, and then after that you just add your bank accounts from your local bank and you just transfer the funds from Payoneer to your bank account. Very easy to do, very easy to set up. I personally don't use Payoneer because I can do the direct deposit, but I have seen how it works and it's very, very safe, very easy to do. You can just set up your account on Payoneer and it's very easy. I will just show you the Payoneer website. So let me just type it up, payoneer.com, very easy. And now this is the page which you are looking for. Here you can get all the information needed. So if you will need to go for Payoneer, then I highly encourage you to get to know all the information needed for your particular either country or your needs. I don't want to give you any advice or anything like this because I personally don't use Payoneer, and I know that it all depends on where you are coming from and what are your needs. So here you will find all the information needed. I'm pretty sure they do have also something like a customer service, so you can even ask them whatever you need. So don't be ashamed, don't be afraid to get in touch with them. Make sure you get all the information you need and get your Payoneer account ready. So just keep in mind, there are different options how to get paid, and if you cannot do direct deposit, then go for Payoneer. Don't let this one small issue stop you from earning the income that the Clickbank and affiliate marketing can get you. So this is it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you get lots of value from it. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn more, if you want to know the strategy and the ways how to literally do affiliate marketing in the right way, then I highly encourage you to click the link below in my description. You will get access to my free 4-day free video series where you will learn each day something new about affiliate marketing, how it works, and what are the strategies to use in affiliate marketing. So this is it, guys, for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon in another videos. Bye, guys.